So the first character that we're going to analyze is Wanda. And when we look on page 14, 15, and 17 of what's going on at this part of the story, the main action that I see is this exchange between Wanda and the other kids where Wanda says she has 100 dresses. So on my recording sheet for action, I would write she says she has 100 dresses. Now the real question becomes why? Why would Wanda say she has 100 dresses? And we have to think about what we already know and what the text also says. So I saw on page 14 that it says Wanda didn't have any friends. She came to school alone and went home alone. She always wore a faded blue dress that didn't hang right. It was clean, but it looked as though it had never been ironed properly. She didn't have any friends, but a lot of girls talked to her. So I know from chapter 1, we'd already said Wanda was unpopular. And then here I'm reading that she doesn't have any friends. So I'm wondering if since she doesn't have any friends, like maybe she wants to kind of fit in with the other girls at school because the other kids aren't wearing the same clothes every single day, but she is. And so maybe by telling them she has 100 dresses, she thinks it would help her be able to fit in with them and maybe help her make some friends. So for the motivation for why she did it, I would write, she doesn't have any friends and wants to fit in with the other girls at school. And now the most important part is, how do you know that? What was my text evidence? So I used page 14, and on page 14 it said, Wanda didn't have any friends. She came to school alone. She went home alone. She always wore a faded blue dress. And so that would be my text evidence, the sentence from the text that I feel like best proves my answer. Make sure you get that jotted on your paper. If you go ahead and click through on this slide, it will show you what words go in the blank for this problem.